Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna introduce you air duster. It is strong wind power. It has low noise. Let's open the box and see what we have. User manual. We can understand the quality when I got it. It's because it'll be heavy. We have some attachments. We have some hats and USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Let's go ahead and try it. When we first look at it, you can see it has light, and here is the button. You can turn it on. You can change the level of the fan from here. It is very strong, and I'm gonna test it outside and show it to you. Let's go ahead and put the attachment, turn it to the right. We're just gonna put it right there, and it's ready. This area is touch button, and turn it on, turn it off. Just put this one over here. I'm gonna use this. And this is the minimum. This is maximum. Let's test it outside. What about here? Here is the battery indicator. Right now it is 50%. This device has adaptive charging. The device can automatically and intelligently match the power of the charging adapter. That's a good feature. It has automatic shutdown in standby mode if there is no operation for more than 30 seconds. And also it has temperature protection. I can definitely suggest this product because it has two blades. From this side, air duster, but from this side, vacuum. You can also deflate camping bags.